Frankie Zapata, the brilliant French inventor behind some of the coolest jet-powered gadgets, is back with something more practical. Meet his latest creation, a futuristic egg-shaped VTOL that might look simple at first glance. But don't be fooled, Zapata's love for jet engines is alive and well here. This flying machine is a hybrid marvel. While details are still scarce, the primary lift is likely handled by 4 large propellers powered by 4 microjet engines, joint development of Zapata and 2 French research institutes. In addition, 8 smaller propellers, mounted on 4 separate arms, are driven by battery-powered electric motors. The result? A flying machine with a 20-liter fuel tank, capable of staying airborne for up to 2 hours. That's a massive leap compared to the 15-minute flight times of fully electric competitors like the Jetson 1. And most impressively, it's also set to be certified as an ultralight aircraft with a dry weight under 115 kilograms, meaning no pilot's license will be required to take to the skies. Control is intuitive, reportedly as easy as piloting a drone, and it comes packed with safety features. The big questions remain: how much noise will those jet engines produce? And will it be possible to travel comfortably inside that thin carbon fiber cabin? A unique approach to fully electric flight is offered by the Austrian company FlyNow Aviation. This innovative aircraft relies on a coaxial dual-rotor design. This configuration enhances flight efficiency, significantly reduces noise compared to conventional electric multicopters, and minimizes production and operating costs. One might assume it supports auto-rotation like helicopters, a feature that allows safe landing without an engine by using a rotor that spins from falling. But this is not the case, and the parachute, which is usually found on small multicopters, is not included. However, the aircraft prioritizes safety through a robust multi-redundancy system. Its 2 rotors is driven by 4 independent electric motors, each powered separately. And although this copter is much heavier than the Airscooter and does not fall into the ultralight category, you still won't need a license to fly. Manual control is not intended. Instead, flights will be fully handled by an autopilot system following preset routes. The American company Pivotal, one of the world leaders in personal electric aviation, has begun mass production and delivery of its first ultralight eVTOL aircraft, priced from $190,000. Before rebranding, it was known as Opener Aero, and earlier as Skycar. The single-seat model itself has been renamed from Blackfly to Helix. While the exterior seems almost identical, the internal components have been largely renewed and improved.
Advanced, amazing, great, fantastic.
In addition to detachable wings for transport in a trailer, its arched bottom immediately catches the eye, a design choice that adds discomfort and raises questions.
Why? Why?
The explanation lies in the fact that the Helix is amphibious.
Oh, that's why.
Not only can it land on water, but more importantly, this feature allows it to add an extra weight while still qualifying as an ultralight aircraft, which does not require a license to fly.
Nice.
This also imposes a maximum speed limit of 100 kilometers per hour. Previously, the company promised an international version with an upgraded battery enabling longer and faster flights. For now, the company has announced plans for a 2-seat version equipped with 12 propellers. The 2-seat version is offered by the French company DTA, a successful gyrocopter manufacturer with 25 years of experience. And it's a hybrid, but with a different power setup. Battery synthetic fuel or battery hydrogen charges the batteries, allowing the aircraft to stay airborne for 2 hours and cover 300 kilometers at a speed of 150 kilometers per hour. DTA is also developing a version with active wings, which will significantly enhance the capabilities of the eVTOL. The company has already announced a price of 200,000 euros and is accepting pre-orders, with the first deliveries expected in 2026. The controls are simplified and intuitive, but a pilot's license will be required. For safety, in addition to the distributed electric propulsion, a pyrotechnic deployed parachute is available in case of failure. The transformation of Doroni's eVTOL is truly impressive. After bringing their development nearly to the level of a pre-production prototype, they made a bold decision to completely overhaul the design. Now, they are back to the drawing board, starting over with scaled-down models to refine their new approach, and the effort seems well worth it. The previous model was far from inspiring. Let's just say it had a face only its creators could love.
You built the most beautiful thing in the whole world.
But it served as a valuable stepping stone towards something much better. And the new sleek lines are truly captivating. The design with ducted fans enhances lift and efficiency, ensuring better airflow management. It also reduces noise levels and is far less intimidating than open propellers positioned at leg level, like in these meat grinders. The wings and rear-mounted pusher propellers allow for a flight range of 160 kilometers, with a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. Despite these impressive specs, the aircraft still fits into a standard two-car garage, making its integration into everyday life more convenient. The flying car is handled through an intuitive joystick, with automatic takeoff and landing functions simplifying the operation. The H1-X is equipped with all the essential safety features that have become standard in the eVTOL industry. These advancements, combined with its cutting-edge design and functionality, firmly establish it as a premium product. While the initially promised launch date of 2025 appears to have been pushed back, pre-orders for the new Doroni are already open at a price of $350,000. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Meanwhile, check out the 100-year history of vertical flight featuring 85 unique rotorcraft.